I've spent the last 7 years developing a proven business model for creating and selling corporate photography to local businesses. This is the model I use to make at least $3,000 per photo shoot, only work Monday through Friday while my kids are in school, and have income I can count on month after month. And I'm going to teach you how to do the same. We'll begin by helping you learn exactly who needs this service and is willing to pay a high price for it. Knowing your target market is essential to success, and it took years to find out who my ideal clients were, their specific needs, and how to fill them. I'll show you examples of the types of clients you can expect to work with and exactly what they're looking for, so you can easily find them. You'll learn what to offer and how much to charge for it. I'll teach you 4 different pricing models typically used by commercial photographers and how to choose the best one for you and your clients. Next, licensing is always a big question, so I'm going to help you understand the different types of options a commercial client wants and needs, as well as your rights as a creative. Do you know the number one thing I've found that leads to a successful commercial photo shoot? Planning. I'll give you my proven process, including all the forms and emails you need for walking clients through pre-production planning. This process ensures everything goes smoothly on the day of your shoot and your clients are happy with the end results. Because that's really all that matters, right? I'll offer you tips for success on the day of the shoot, including what gear you need and simple lighting setups and styling secrets for typical situations you'll encounter, like cramped office spaces and ugly conference rooms. I've seen it all. I'll teach you how to help your clients and their staff feel and look at ease while being photographed. If you're thinking, "Oh, this sounds great, Tanya, but how do I sell this service?" Don't worry, I've got you. We'll go over proven ways to market corporate and branding photography with some clear and easy homework assignments, so you'll be sure to get it done. I'll also teach you what didn't work, so you won't waste time and money like I did on marketing and sales efforts that aren't effective. Last but certainly not least, I'll show you how to offer content creation retainers so you can generate recurring income as a photographer. This is one shift I've made in my business that has literally changed my life, and I want that for you too. So who is a good fit for this course? Anyone who wants to work with businesses as a photographer and do it right. Maybe you already know how to create incredible images. You have professional quality gear, or you're ready and willing to invest in it. You might already be charging a great price for wedding or portrait photography, but you're looking for a change or want to supplement that income. If you're at the beginning stages of your photography journey, don't worry, I'll recommend the best resources for you to improve your technical skills while also learning the foundations for successfully launching and growing your corporate photography business. You know, investing in quality education by someone who has applied what they teach in the real world is invaluable, and you're willing to spend the time and money to try something new. I've spent years and thousands of dollars figuring all this stuff out. For a fraction of what you'd make on one photo shoot, you'll learn everything you need to know to launch your own commercial photography brand and start working with businesses who value what you have to offer. Are you ready? Click below to get started.